Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is that should AI tools or robots replace human teachers in schools or not? So, without any further delay, we should start, and you stop there. So, both the teams are ready, and everyone has come. So, we must start now. So, first, I would like to call from this team.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, once again, I am standing here to do debate on a very amazing and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious topic that is about robotic teacher versus human teacher. Which one is better? So, as I assume, robotic teachers are better than human teacher because if I see the condition of Indian schools, so it's very bad and education plays a vital role in everyone. So because of this thing, I would say that robotic teachers are better because robotic teachers can maintain our consistency and robotic teacher can teach us imperatively and impressively and they can teach us with they can enhance student with good methods, with imperative methods. Because of this, I would say that robotic teachers are better than human teachers.
So hello everyone, today we all know that we are doing debate on a charismatic topic. The topic is, should AI replace human teachers or not? Well, I reckon that it should not. It's mean AI teachers should not replace human teachers. And why do I think? So let's talk about it. My first argument is teaching methods. As we all know that in our world, in our school, in our classes, there are students are not equal. Means some of us are able to understand everything easily, but on the other hand, if I talk about some students, they are not able to understand anything easily. It's mean they need other kind of methods to understand everything. So I think that these all understanding can be provided by our teachers, not by robotics and all, because I reckon that robotic teacher don't have that much methods to teach students. And now I would like to answer her that as she mentioned about consistency, that robotic teachers can teach us consistently. So I want to ask sister, robotic teachers are also machine. They also need time. We can see the fan. It's mean we have to switch off the fan for some time to get it relieved that it can work betterly next time. But how can we say that a robot can also teach consistently? It's not like this. Everything needs time. Everything needs break. It's not like this that if we are human or teacher, we need break.
Sister, at your place, you are also right. But sister, see on the other hand also, do you know, sister, that robotic teachers, I'm not saying that they will teach us 24 hours. And who study 24 hours? Who is this much studious? Who study 24 hours? No one study 24 hours.
So why are you mentioning that?
I'm mentioning because of this. Do you know condition of schools nowadays? Teachers come in classroom and they say that I'm tired and they doze off in class. It's good. It's very repulsive. And sometimes what they do, they chit chat with the students, and after that they said that I'm tired, and after that they doze off, and after that they went from the classroom. Is it good? Like that can we maintain our consistency? And as Ruqayyah's sister was mentioning that human teachers have more knowledge than robotic teacher. It's good that they have knowledge, but what is the benefit of that knowledge if they are not providing us?
Okay.
What's the benefit?
According to her, our teachers are not teaching, they are not providing us information and all. Sister, I want to ask that how are we passing exams? We are passing exams
with the help of ChatGPT, with the help of Meta AI, with the help of mobile phone. Sister, do you know now
questions in exam? Let me.
Okay.
According to her, ChatGPT is giving us answer in the examination room. Means here is our examination answer sheet, and we are using ChatGPT. It's not like this, sister. It's a misconception.
It's not
in examination hall.
Sister, do you know
I am teaching. That's why we are passing exams.
Listen to me. I'm not saying that we are in exam hall and we are using mobile phone. It's not like this. I'm saying that at home we are studying, and do you know that why we are coming to coachings nowadays? Because of our teachers, because we thought that in school we are wasting our time, and it's reality.
Okay,
It's
now
reality.
you have said that
Everyone
we are
thinks
coming,
like this.
So now listen to me.
Yeah.
Now you have mentioned that we are coming to coaching, and in coaching are there robotic teachers? Not at all. Teachers are teaching us. How can you say that teachers are not teaching? It's not like this. I don't agree with you. I agree that some of teachers are not teaching, but not all teachers are not teaching. They are
Okay.
teaching, and we are passing exams.
Okay,
with
okay. As Bashir brother, your team member brother was mentioning that our government is spending lots of money on education system. However, India is not developing. However, Indian education system is worst. Why? If our government is spending crores of money on education system, so why India is not developing? Can you give me answer
you know
of this?
that there is corruption in our India.
There is no corruption.
Why don't you?
It
think
is
there
just
no
to
corruption?
say. It is just to say. Do you know, sister?
Like I also can
Do
say
you know,
that it's
sister?
just for saying that our teachers are not
As
teaching.
our government is spending crores of money to for hiring teachers, if there will be robotic teacher, so we can with the help of robotic teacher we need to spend more money. I'm accepting this, but after some years we will get development in our country, and it's the
Okay.
reality.
Now we can be developed with the help of robotic teachers. I don't
Yeah.
think so, sister. Do you know do you know the condition of government schools?
Yeah.
The fence, the class environment. It's not good. I think
Because
our
of
government-
teachers,
our
because
go- our-
teachers are
sister,
not-
Listen to me firstly. I let you speak. Okay. So you can see the situation of our the environment of our class. It's too much worse. The paint, the fan, the board. It's too much worse. I believe, I reckon that our government should invest money on education system. I don't think so that they should invest money on robotics teachers and all. If they spend money on qualification of a teacher, definitely our India.
Do you know,
teaching
sister? Nowadays it's very hard to become teacher.
So, in starting, I forgot to mention about this pack. Last time I mentioned. So, that who is winner of it? So, first I will announce it. I bought one, but I will give three because the winners are three. The first one is Miss Sabha. First means actually you are first today, and then second is Fabiha, and third is Miss who would be. Third is Miss Zoya. Shocked. Now listen numbers. So Sania got 7.5, and Bashir got 8, and Zoya got 9 out of 10. Rukaya got 8. Rukaya made many mistakes while speaking. Errors she made. Naz got 6.5. Khalid also got 6.5. Shabnam got 7.5, and Rimsha got 9. Amreen got 6.5. Khalid again got 6.5. And Khalid is a kind of compliment for you because these people against whom you spoke, they have been learning for years, especially Amreen Api. But you matched them. Afsha got 9. Safia got 9.5. You were asking me mistakes. You spoke good, your points were good, but there is fluency. Okay. ये लास्ट वाला टर्न था ना, ऐसा मांगता मेरे को. और जो इधर बाजी खड़ी थी ना, ठीक है, इधर भी खतरनाक था, लेकिन इधर वाली के जो पॉइंट्स थे और जो एक्सप्रेशंस, जो कॉन्फिडेंस आया चेहरे पे आज, ओहो क्या ही कहने, वैसा ही चाहिए हमको. एंड देन केम Amreen. Amreen Maji got 8. Ilma got 7.5. And Fabia got, actually she got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 13 on 10. And to Sabha, I would say that she also got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 15 on 10. Okay, so I would like to announce which team is winner. Real. So, who's the captain of this team? So, Fabia's team scored 73. We've done it. And